Hey vlog, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl NESHA back with another video. Say hey to the vlog today. Okay, y'all. Hey, let me show y'all my cake because I hit 100 videos on YouTube. Dang.
I got goosebumps, bro.
Hold on. Okay, y'all see it? I don't want to like and Duty acting like he ain't never ate before, so. Is it back? What? You want a big piece? I'm still recording whatever you finna say.
Yeah, little sign. Okay. Medium piece.
Okay.
You want to see something crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Look at how much money I lose. I just
Dog.
I was trying to show it to the camera. This actually... This good. Oh, my candles. Hey, y'all. This is not my life. Like, I can't. Do y'all... I have a coat on. No, I can't do this. Then I'm like, where the shovel? And who finna go digging for the shovel? Not me. But, hold on. Y'all, look at Amor. He got on shorts while shoveling.
He was crazy.
And he was just dancing, but I ain't get him. Sister, say hey to the
y'all.
vlog.
Hey, y'all.
Your hair braided?
Yeah.
Hey, who you know? Hey, who you know? Who you know? She finna come back with the wig, so just know you be ready.
Be ready.
And Cop Weekend finally starts today.
Period.
What you guys? Y'all, we pushing right out of car. You just burnt plenty gas.
Did I?
Hell yeah, I smell
I
it.
had to.
Oh shit.
These are trying to vlog like girl, right? Turn that shit off. Hey.
Packed up over there.
Are they?
Yeah.
One thing about me and my sister,
They gonna always stuff they face.
we gonna eat us a lunch sandwich, but we gonna spaz it up.
Spaz it up.
And we didn't get our bacon today because I left the bacon out when I cooked it. So we don't have bacon on our sandwiches, but usually we do.
That's good though, y'all.
It's
We got
good.
banana peppers,
Mm-hmm.
lettuce.
Mustard. She eat ham, so but I only eat turkey, so
Because ham nasty.
What? Y'all are crazy.
ham is nasty.
No, turkey is nasty. It don't taste
Turkey
like
is the
nothing.
best. And ham do.
Turkey is
It
best.
tastes like feed.
First, I forgot to tell y'all that we at the gym. It's super cold in here, so I got a pair of socks and my fuzzies. And these are my fuzzies for the sleep. But you know it's cold if I got if I got socks and fuzzies on. Because if you know me, if you know me, you know I don't like socks. But they working on megaphones and they working on stunts. So yeah.
Hey y'all, don't try this at home. Come on, man.
I'm gonna do one.
Wait, you gonna run?
No, I'm not gonna run.
Oh, don't run, bro.
I'm scared my wig don't come up now that you said. Oh, okay. So I'm in the mirror now. This is my outfit. Go like my new Instagram reel. Wait, hold on. Period. Go like my new Instagram reel. And okay, so something just like my thoughts just told me like do a color on Rihanna back. Well, she was like this. But how she was like this. That's no stability. So I was like, go on all fours. And I did it, but then my camera went out. So, but yeah. And I'm gonna come back when I get her to do it again, okay?
Yeah, go ahead, hurry up, y'all. Come on, man.
Come on.
So if I just hit,
No, you go out.
now how you gonna do it?
What you do?
Just do it. Just
No,
do
what
the
did
flip.
you do? This.
Just do the
You
flip.
can go-
I want to see the flip. So you doing both hands on my back? Oh! Heck no!
No, we had it the first time.
Put your hands
I
on
was
my
just too
back.
excited. Okay. No,
Right. I feel like you can close
I'm going like this.
on my
Yeah, I went on
tailbone.
the butt the first time.
Come on, man.
Miracle.
Let's get over with.
My jump.
Okay, let's go.
I want to
Maybe.
do our jump combo. Do our
Put your
jump.
head down.
Down?
Arms up. Lock your arms out. Separate. I can't do it.
Oh, heck no.
A cartwheel.
She's trying to do a cartwheel off my back.
Let me see the TV.
Here you are.
Period.
Look at this iPad.
5, 6, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look it or it is. What is going on? Honestly. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. That's too damn bad. Keep digging. Hey, boy. Listen, I'm a hardworking woman. Keith Cheer better not ever come for my loyalty, because I ain't even performing. And look where I'm at. In the snow. So, y'all see this? Hold on. Who you know doing it like me?
Who you know?
That's all I-
Nobody.
Thank you.
Nobody.
Thank you.
But we in the back seat. Chilling. You're right. It's cold outside. We in a heated vehicle. Can't complain.
Yeah. Y'all, Muscle Man pushing us. Muscle Man pushing us. We getting out. Thank you. Or the power out. So, 40 pack of water, 4 things of soda, 2 breakfast juices, and some chips. $60. And we would have went to Walmart, but 60. We would have went to Walmart, but we keep getting stuck, and it's Walmart. It be closed.
Yo, this be actually really hard.